you clicked on this video because you want to be a programmer, don't make me laugh. You should be ashamed. You think this is easy? You think this is not hard? Really? A simple tutorial? Learn Java? You disappoint me. You think it's really gonna be that easy? Just exit the video right now. I don't even want to look at you. Just kidding, guys. I'm actually really excited to have you guys here on this tutorial. This is, if you guys are beginners, this is the very beginning of your journey to become a programmer. It doesn't matter, you don't have to be a genius. Like I said, you don't have to be like the Albert Einstein of programming. You just need to have the mind to learn and the heart to succeed. That's all you need. And if you were to click this subscribe button down here, you'll follow me in my journey. I'll teach you every little thing, every cool stuff that I know. I'll wait for that. Just, you know, click the button. Click, subscribe, click, click, click. The button. I'll wait. Okay, let's go. The very first thing you want to do is you want to have a laptop, desktop, or any access to the internet that you're able to type. That's the first thing. And you need internet, obviously. And you want to have the tools to do it. And the thing is, you want to download something called an IDE. You don't have to know that. Or you need to download a compiler. Again, you don't have to know what that means. I have a video that teaches you guys on how to download it. It's called JGrasp. It looks something like this. Don't mind the other icons. It looks something like this, and this is what it kind of looks like. I'll show you guys a quick demo. Just click on one of my previous videos in my channel to I'll show you guys how to download it in Macs and Windows. So don't worry about it. So this is what it looks like. And obviously, you need a place to program. You can't just program out of thin air. Or can you? Huh. Okay, I'm just thinking about that too much. Okay, so this is pretty much what it looks like. You don't have to, it may look confusing, but I'll definitely go through my future videos with you guys to make it a lot easier. Now, okay, let's be honest. If you're like me, and you don't want to go through the downloading, you just want to get straight into it, I'm the guy for you. All you need to do is just subscribe. Subscribe. Hit that button below, down there. Leave a like and a comment. Just kidding. Okay, so all you need to do is you want to open any Google Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, Firefox, whatever. There's a lot of access you can go through. And what you want to do is once you open this up, you want to type in Java, because we will be learning Java today. Online, since it will be online. Compiler. Now what this Java Online Compiler does is it means the tools that we need to program in, we don't have to download it. It's already downloaded on some other person's website. So all we need to do is just go in and code. And that's pretty much what we want from this video, to go in and code, to understand, make a small program. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit enter right there. So see this link right here, compile, execute Java Online tutorial points. We want that one. Just click on right there. Oop, I actually spelled compiler wrong. Sorry guys. Okay, so everything may look very confusing, like, oh my gosh, what does this mean? The thing I'm highlighting, what does this mean? And what is this green stuff? Like, what are these? Don't freak out, don't even be scared. This is why you guys click this video, because you guys are new, most likely no experience, and you guys want some, you guys want your foot wet. You guys want to make your first program, because this is what this video is about. You want to begin your very first program. So all we're gonna do today in this video is to print out Hello World. This is a very traditional thing to learn program, and you should be very excited, because this is the very first way I learned too. And trust me, I was in your shoes. This is very confusing. But all you need to do, all you need to remember is this. See this public? See this class? And see this Hello World and this little curly bracket? Only thing you need to remember from this entire code is just Hello World and Hello World. See, because the thing about programming is most of these blue stuff and red stuff, you just need to memorize it. And like my professor before me told, They said you just have to do this type of stuff, and as you grow more in your career as a programmer, starting from here and up, you'll start to understand what all this means, and trust me, you will start to understand what all this means, and it will come eventually. So don't worry about that. And all you need to worry about is just this. Now let me give you guys a quick run of this code to show what it does. Pretty much is, you want to go to here, compile. Now what compile does is it just runs all this code, checks if there's any error, and if nothing's popped, it will say okay, it'll give you a message back saying nothing happened. So to see that result is down here, Java hello world. You don't have to know that, and see how there's no error. If there is an error, let's say for this, let's say if I forget to delete something like this, you'll see an error, something like this. Oh, it's like, oh, something is wrong. You don't have to worry about this. I'll teach you guys in future videos. Something wrong, one error. Don't worry about that. I'm just showing you guys, you know. And if actually your code runs good, it should pop up nothing. And that's a great thing. You want to know that. To run the code, you want to click this execute sign right here. You just want to click it. Awesome. Now here's the thing. See right here? Hello world. That's the thing that we're printing out. And if you're following along and you click execute, congratulations, you just learned your very first programming tutorial, and you should be very excited because this is step one to the very future of your career, and I'm very excited. Now let's say if you want to print something else. Let's do something like something awesome like these. Okay, awesome. So I changed that. So inside this system out print ln, inside these little quotation marks, you just want to change whatever's inside here. Now if you happen to delete the quotation marks, you just need to add 2 quotation marks just like this. It happens to a lot of us, especially when we're new. We need to put our words inside quotation marks to have it print out. So we're gonna first compile it. You can put anything you want, honestly. You can put anything you want and it'll print it out. No error popped up, that's good. Awesome, see? And it printed out this. Now let's say if you do forget the quotation mark or something error is happening, most likely if there's an error, you forgot a quotation mark, it'll pop up something like this. Just double check to see if, you know, your code looks exactly like that, and trust me, small stuff like this can mess up your code. Just compile, execute, and then your code is right there. Now, the thing about this is, you know, okay, you did this. What can you do with it? There's so much things you can do with it, and especially in my future videos, I'll show you awesome, great tricks you could do this to make your work, to make great programs, to make it a lot more easier for you to have more efficiency, more better. And what you should do is feel proud of yourself for learning how to do something like this, and you should also feel better because you are also investing into your career and your future knowledge and skills, and this is a very great thing to do. So hopefully you guys like that. If you guys do, please subscribe, like the video, and comment below. I'm trying to post videos almost every week. Hopefully you guys like that. I'll see you guys later.